2019. So I'm just going to show you how many people are up. But they really aren't, because most of these people are usually sleeping. And these are all the usual suspects in terms of perpetration. So I get woken up because they're doing what is called DARK, this bone conduction technology to wake you up. A dark NLP, they call it. And you've got all these neighbors probably up because there's probably some course going on and they want to learn how to manipulate other fucking people, you see. These are my fucking neighbors. That's 414 Eardley. The one over there is 411 Eardley. The ones over here are 419. The one down the street over there, I think that's like 409 or something like that. You've even got some people walking in the middle of the morning. See that? You hear the footsteps of these fucking people? That's what these cults